Congratulations, CJ and Jen!
Cheers! Refreshing. Yun naman juice eh.
It ain't no joke. I like to buy the way and teach the world to sing in perfect harmony and teach the world to snuff the fires and the liars.
Masyado po siyang mapili. Quality pagdating sa babae. At dumating nga si Jessica, pinaka-the best.
But it's back.
It's just like getting back.
Tracks before impact.
Ate!
If you got the goods, they'll come and buy it just to stay in the clique. Yeah. So don't delay. And now the supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive. 6 to 8 years to
Makakain ba kami? Ano ba po? Sunday. Ang market. May timer pa! Kain ka to mo.
get bushwhacked. Lose it in your neighborhood is under attack. Put away the crack before the crack puts you away. You need to be there when your baby's old enough to relate. So don't delay. Now supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive. 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow that may be a tomorrow. But if the offer shun, you might as well be walking on the sun. You might as well be walking on the sun. You might as well be walking on the sun. You might as well be walking on the sun. You might as well be walking on the sun.
Sobra ang pasasalamat ko dahil ikaw ang aking naging unang girlfriend. Sa'yo ko lahat unang naranasan ang sarap ng pag-ibig.
Ibig ng buhay ko kay tagal mang
Every day, my loves, I will choose you. Every day, I'll do everything I can to show how much I love you.
Salamat sa lahat, sa kabaitan mo hanggang mula nung bata hanggang pagtanda mo. Huwag ka magbabago sa amin. Mahal kita.
hanggang sa
Salamat ka.
dulo. Ako at ikaw,
Tumutulo na yung luha ko, hindi ko pa nakikita si Jen. Ala, naiyak na rin ako. Ay, huwag kayo iyak-iyak siya. Iyak talaga ako, guys. Ganda mo. Sobrang ganda nga. Sobrang ganda mo.
Singlinaw ng langit na bughaw.
Pwede na pong gawaran ni Cyrus ng masuyong halik ang kanyang may bakal.
Ikaw ikinuhi na ng tadhana na tayong dalawa.
I remember 6 years ago, we also made a promise that every day we'll choose each other. Pipiliin natin yung isa't isa araw-araw. That breaking up will never be an option. Today, my love, I am making that same promise to you. Every day, my loves, I will choose you.
Unang huli
Naintindihan ko na kung bakit di pa binigay sa akin noon na magkaroon ng babaeng akin sanang iibigin. Hinahanda niya pala ako sa'yo.
Open the door, even when it's cold. Still watching over us as we're growing older. Whether it's oceans or city lights, it's always calling for you. 'Cause it's your home. It feels like home.
During our 6 years, you never left my side. You only showed me and my family kindness. You only showed me love. Despite knowing my past, you were so patient and understanding during my breakdown.
Thank you sa pagpili mo sa akin kahit madami akong imperfections. Ang payapa ako sa iyo, my loves. Hindi tayo abot sa ganito ngayon. Haharap at mangako sa altar kung hindi rin dahil sa pag-ibig at grasya ng Panginoon. Lord, maraming salamat po sa regalo ito.
Open the door. Tell me what
Kahit anong mangyari, loves, promise ko sa'yo,
I see.
hindi mo na ako maaalis sa tabi mo. Kahit sumampa ka pa ng paulit-ulit sa barko, I will always be here, loving you.
Oh,